Welcome, dear viewers, to the Mind Game. It is a kind of mental and psychological game that increases your self-confidence and gives you at the same time your goals and aspirations. In this game, you will face 3 monsters, the monster of stupidity, then the monster of frustration, and finally the monster of failure. Each of these monsters has its own techniques, and do not fail. For a test, you must simply defeat them, because you are the smartest. Before we start, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel by pressing the bell button to receive all new updates. Now let's start. First, stay away from the sources of inconvenience and put on earphones to live the experience. And now, breathe in slowly and relax, inhale and then exhale while mentioning the word "I am smart" in your mind. Do this 5 times. Now imagine that you are in a scary forest and there are many strange creatures. Yes, imagine it. You are now walking through the forest and you are not afraid of these creatures, but these creatures follow you, and watch how scary these creatures are. But you were walking on your way and you started to fear something and started to run because strange creatures are watching you. Suddenly you see a strange creature, but it is small, nice, and beautiful, unlike those damned monsters. So you go to it, you will look at it for a long time, and then you will quickly pick it up and keep running, because the monsters are following you. Suddenly, you find yourself in a beautiful place, surrounded by a beautiful lake and green grass. You are now going towards the beautiful lake to drink, because you are thirsty. You will drink the water and feel that it is sweet and wonderful. Then you realize that strange creatures cannot enter this place, and then you go to lie on the grass and spread all your limbs. Then you feel that you have touched something with your left hand. Oh, what is this? It is a paper. You will read this paper. Yes. It is a message from me to you. The message says, "Dear listener, these strange, scary creatures that you saw are your negative feelings. So what is that cute little creature that you carried with you? That creature is called hope, and now it's in your pocket, giving you a glowing light. Take it out of your hands and put it in your heart." My God! The kind creature of hope has merged with your heart. Now complete the reading of the message. The rest of the message is written in red and says, "Beware of danger coming." After that, you will move from where you are now, seeing a small boat by the lake. Go to the small boat and take off in the lake to go to the other side. You are now taking off with great hope for success in your soul. Oh, my God, beware, beware, what a strange creature. He is a monster of stupidity, beware of him. His purpose is to distract you and make you deal with stupidity. Do not listen to him at all, and focus on my voice only.
Stupid, stupid, very stupid, 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 stupid.
You are crossing the lake and ignoring the monster of stupidity hovering around your boat and repeating the word stupidity, stupidity, and now put your hand on your chest and feel the creature of hope feeding you its energy.
Stupid, 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 very stupid.
It is true that I am a monster of stupidity hovering around you. But you don't pay attention to it, and now you're getting closer to the end of the lake.
Very stupid, 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 stupid.
Repeat with me in your mind, I am clear-minded and no one can distract me 5 times.
Stupid, stupid, very stupid, 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 very stupid, stupid, stupid.
That's great. You've reached the end of the lake without even realizing it. Now you see a mountain road and your goal is to reach the top of that mountain. Hey, before you start to go, the stupid, ugly being is still following us. Ugly shape. Yes, you see that it is a moldy mud object. Go towards it. Meet him face to face and say in your mind you are stupid and foolish and I am smart 5 times. Oh, you're cool. I got him frustrated. He's melting and gradually disappearing. A piece of paper has appeared in his place. Go take it. Now you should relax and be proud of what you've made, and we'll continue our way into the second part of the video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel by pressing the bell button to receive all the best, and have a good day, my friend.